Good morning, boys and girls. It's February 2nd, 2011. This is Nanook of the North, sending you a greeting from Fairfield, Iowa. I'm going to tell you, in 23 years of living here, I've never seen anything like this. Here we go. It came down and down and down. And down and down. This is a long way from Balboa Canal Zone, I'll tell you. There's my neighbor's car, buried. He didn't go to work today, apparently. I did, for a little while. Brought some home. Now take a look at this. Here's the yardstick. You can see the bank of snow there. $20 to 21 inches of snow, depending on how much was blown around. That's a pretty good amount. So let's check out the backyard. See, some got blown away from here. Nice pretty ripples. Usually have deer in my backyard. Saw 5 the other day. Oh, isn't this nice? Mother Nature at work. Beautiful artwork. My air conditioner over there. Buried. Backyard doesn't have much in it, got blown away. So, why don't you all come up and visit? We'll have a good time. This is especially for you, John Wolf. Come on up, rough it a little bit. See y'all later. Have a good year.